Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna go on a picnic. We don't exactly know where we're gonna go, but we know we are going to a doggy friendly place because Harper, well, my dog is back there. And right now we stopped by Giant to get some like chips and other things. So I will take you guys along with me today. So today
Battlefield in Virginia is rumored to be haunted by spirits of soldiers who fought in the Civil War battles there.
Good morning, everybody. Today is October 13th, and it is 8:40 in the morning, and I am getting ready to go apple picking, and we are leaving at 9:30, so yeah, I gotta kind of hurry. I'm not doing too much today, so like with makeup wise, I'm just gonna put a little bit since I am filming a Halloween look today later on. This is the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I love this stuff. It definitely helps with foundation stay on longer. And then I'm just gonna spray some of the setting spray before I do my foundation, which this is the Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray by e.l.f., which it looks like this. I love this stuff too. So the foundation I am using today is the IRL Filter Foundation by Makeup Revolution. I am in the shade F8. So I am going to take you guys along with me today. I'm not sure if this is gonna be a vlog where we're doing different things different day, or you know, like during the week and everything when I'm off, or just a one whole vlog. We shall see how this goes, because today later on I do want to make a pizza, like a Halloween pizza. I saw that on Pinterest and YouTube as well, so I was like, oh, I want to make that too. That looks fun. I am so tired. I did not go to bed. I went to bed like around 1. Could not fall asleep for anything. I hate when that happens, especially when you know you gotta get up early. I am wearing a full outfit, but I have a tank top on because it's 80 degrees here in Virginia, so it's still kind of warm out. Just gonna do a simple. My allergies are bothering me a little bit today. I did take a allergy pill last night. This is my outfit for today. I got this plaid shirt from the thrift store. The jewelry is from Walmart. Shirt is Walmart or Ross, one of the two. Pants from Walmart, and the white shoes are from Famous Footwear. And then I just put my hair up in a clip. That's my outfit.
But
It fell on the floor.
there.
Oh, so that's, oh, cool.
But it's got a. I don't want that one. I'll take that one. Whoop!
I almost got hit in the head. I got 2.
All right. That big thing. We gotta let it go.
It has like some immune mediated. No. I'm asking at home to start them on prednisone, and it's cyclosporin or like immune mediated.
That's good. What is it? Crab tater tots?
Crab tater tots.
I just got home from apple picking and also from the winery. It was so good. That pizza and those crab tater tots. Oh my god, those were delicious. So right now I'm just outside walking my dog, and it feels so nice outside today. So I just want to be outside today. But I am going to be taking a nap probably just because I am going to be filming a Halloween look later on tonight. So I may do a regular tutorial for YouTube for that tonight. I don't know. But we shall see. I know I will do a shorts for it though. But yeah. So all I'm doing right now is relaxing after being out all day. Pretty much. And it's been a perfect nice day. So I'll talk to you guys a little later, or I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.
Cinnamon on it. And she said let it cook until it gets cooked out to
This is my outfit for today, or I should say for tonight. I got this sweater from Ross, Walmart, and these are from Ross. I just got these boots yesterday, I think. Yeah, yesterday. And for now, they feel comfortable. We'll see how well I can walk in these, for how long I can walk in them without them feeling uncomfortable. Hopefully, they're not that uncomfortable. Outfit. before I forgot and before we like rush out the door. But I'll talk to you guys when we're into the car. When we get into the car. So we are at the Blue Run Winery. We're gonna do a ghost tour. I hope you guys can hear me. We're waiting for our tour to begin. Got a little wine, so I will definitely talk to you guys when we get started with our tour. Hopefully it's soon.
Creeps into your bones and some shivers down your spine.
Those are the lost and restless souls of Bull Run, and they have stories to
Them. As the war raged on, it became just as dangerous for civilians as it was
aided in this monstrosity, evil war.
Or believe.
Thank you.
Now, as an educated woman, during the war I had many opportunities, but it was my house.
We escape the horrors we have seen, the redness, and the
This is my outfit for today. Got this shirt from the thrift store. The pants are from Walmart. And these combats are from Target. And the jewelry is from Walmart. Going to a winery. Which one is this called?
Wolf Gap.
We're going to Wolf Gap Winery to see some pretty leaves and some pretty scenery.
So initially, you'll feel like this might be sweeter, but that's just because how fruity it is, how much blueberry flavor you get. But the blueberry doesn't really make it much sweeter.
Yeah. That one's
It's
good.
still
like
pretty
that.
tart.
Yeah. That is good.
That blueberry one is really good. I like that one
You
better.
like that one? Is that what you want?
I don't know. You have like I don't know. We saw something, or I saw something online, some flight special.
So what is this one?
That's this one. Lobo Seco.
Oh, the Lobo Seco.
Yes.
It's good. It's a little dry.
Not bad. Not too dry.
No.
I don't think. Oh, here you go.
Get away, bug. Hey, bee.
Nope. Get away.
Going out to this restaurant called Two Silos. And can you guys guess who I am right now? Let me know in the comments below if you guys know. I'll get better shots at the place. Here we go. I'm the female version. So what are you guys doing for Halloween, and what are you guys being for Halloween? This vlog will probably be up most likely after Halloween. So happy Halloween. You guys have fun and stay safe.